men from another region, another tribe that is Bantu, specifically Basoga, have come out to request the Acholi people and Padi people to send Dr. Dongoto back to Parliament. They have expressed it openly. Before we go deeper, there's this question: why is Dr. Dongoto loved countrywide or respected countrywide? And before I answer that question, you first watch this video.
The youth from Uganda, the youth from Basoga, we stand together with the people of Baruli County. We request the people of Baruli County to vote Honorable Odonga Otto back in the parliament. Because this is a man who articulates the needs of the people. This is a man who is capable of defending the land of Acholi people. So we request the people of Acholi, request the people of Baruli County to vote Honorable Odonga Otto in the parliament. Because you have witnessed for this term as if Baruli County has not been with a representative. So let us avoid such errors that we made for this term. Next term for 2026, 2031, let us vote Honorable Dongota back in the parliament. Honorable Dongota, oye! Honorable Dongota, oye!
Why Dr. Dongoto is respected across Uganda, the voice that refuses to be silenced. In a political landscape often marked by fear, compromise, and silence, one name stands tall as a symbol of truth and courage: Dr. Dongoto. Across Uganda, from the hills of Lamore to the streets of Kampala, his name commands respect, not merely because he is loud or controversial, but because he is authentic and clear. Dr. Dongoto has earned his place among Uganda's most respected political figures through a rare combination of intellect, boldness, and loyalty to the truth. From the very beginning of his political journey in 2001, when he became one of the youngest members of parliament at just 24, Otto displayed something unique: a fearless spirit guided by conviction rather than comfort. He walked into parliament not as a follower, but as a vibrant defender of the people. For 2 decades, he stood on the floor of parliament as a voice that never trembled in the face of power. His eloquence, his mastery of facts, and his ability to simplify complex national issues earned him admiration even among those who disagreed with him. But what makes Dongoto stand out is not just his intelligence, it is his moral courage. He has never been afraid to challenge the mighty or question those who misuse authority. Whether confronting corruption, land grabbing, or political hypocrisy, Otto has consistently proven that leadership is not about loyalty to a party, but also it's a loyalty to principles. In a time when many leaders choose silence to protect their interest, he has chosen to speak even when the truth burns bridges. Otto's voice carries the pain and hopes of ordinary Ugandans, the farmers, students, and workers who feel forgotten. He speaks their language not as a distant politician, but as one of them. That's why even non-Acholi people admires him. His Acholi roots remain deep, yet his message crosses tribal and regional lines. He stands for justice, accountability, and national unity, values that Uganda desperately needs. To the Acholi people, he is a true son who defends their dignity. To the rest of the country, he is a reminder that leadership can still be clean, brave, and patriotic. What people respect most about Dongoto is his independence of thought. He is not a puppet of any political party. He has stood with the opposition when it was right, and he has agreed with government when the cause was just. That balance, that freedom of mind makes him one of the few politicians Ugandans truly trust. Beyond the debates and fiery speeches, Otto remains grounded. He walks among the people without guts or pride. His life outside politics reflects simplicity, discipline, and sincerity, traits that many Ugandans find refreshing in the age of arrogance and greed. In the final measure, Dr. Oto's respect comes not from wealth, position, or party colors, but from the power of his character. He is the kind of leader who reminds Uganda that truth still matters, that courage is still possible, and that one voice, spoken boldly, can shake a nation awake. Dr. Otto is not just a politician. He is a conscience, a mirror, and a living lesson in fearless leadership.